Unlock instant AI photo shoots with your Shopify account. Just click on the app here, type Ayna, and you'll land on the Shopify App Store. Find Ayna AI Fashion Models Photos, click it, and hit Install to proceed. Once you see this window, press Install, and you'll head directly to your Ayna account. You're all set. Hit Start a Photo Shoot, choose your platform and aspect ratio, and select 4K for top quality. I'm choosing Woman as the segment and Full Body for the garment category, then clicking Next. Now upload your garment files. With my photos uploaded, I click Next. I am skipping the template and will manually pick the best model. I'll scroll down, choose a background, and select poses that perfectly highlight my outfit. I'll add a few more poses. And one sitting pose. Next, I'll pick the perfect footwear, head to accessories, choose a bracelet, earring, a stunning necklace, and finish with a ring. Here's the final look. Review it, and if it looks perfect, hit Generate and wait. It's ready. Check these out. Gorgeous, right? Head to the top right, click the drop-down menu, and select Export to Shopify to proceed directly. You're back in your Shopify account, and it appears right here. The best feature is it auto-generates the listing. Scroll through, and if it looks perfect, change the status to active and click Preview. And there it is, your garment showcased on your site.